This is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete carpet cleaner, and I have been using it. I just used it on my bedroom floor in there. I'm about to get to work on the carpet in here, and I will show you how awesome this thing picks up dirt and grime. So this is the water reservoir. I've got warm water in right there. This is what it has picked up so far. It is disgusting. This is a spot chaser wand here where you can spray some spots. And then back here is your reservoir for the solution. So I'll show you how it works. This thing is awesome. Okay, so we are right here by my back door. So of course we're going to track in lots of dirt and grime. You push on this to let it lean back. This is the power. When you go forward, it's going to wash. When you pull back, it's going to dry. And then once you've got enough liquid on the carpet, you hit dry only and it will just dry it. So here we go.